ahead. I must say thanks to God and to my family, my beloved husband Jitesh Zawar and my kids Janvi and Ojas for their wonderful support throughout the year. Support in terms of, please today you manage with khichdi, I have to rush to Toastmasters meeting. Today you manage with Maggie, please I have to rush to Toastmasters meeting, and journey continues. Thank you Toastmaster Jitesh. Always supportive, always he is my backbone who has supported me a lot. Not physically but mentally, which is required. Because of his support, I run throughout as a president. As I stand before you for the last time as a president of our beloved, prestigious club, Jewel Toastmaster Club, my heart is filled with gratitude and respect for each one of you. Over the past years, we have embraced a remarkable journey together. We have grown, learned together, isn't it?
Yes.
When I first took back role of president, my vision for the club is where every member feels comfortable. They should come out from their comfort zone, and one of the main key point in my vision was everything should be transparent and be on time. That was my commitment and mission for our club, where we come up with excellence in speaking and leadership area. Looking back, I am incredibly proud of what we have accomplished. Together we have conducted many meetings, workshops, delivering inspiring speeches, in effective and constructive evaluation, which is very much required. But what I have observed, many members when they are delivering their speeches, they are not connecting with their mentors. That is very required. You should share your speech, whatever draft you prepared, share with your mentor. Take their feedback and then present yourself in front of audience. It will help you a lot. This I have done for my journey. I have always shared my speeches to Sushil sir, Imtiaz and Ajay sir. Always everyone is very supportive. Now, your dedication to personal improvement, your commitments to our club mission have made my role as a president rewarding and fulfilling. As I pass the torch to our incoming president, I feel the future of our club is in right hand. I have complete faith on her ability that she will lead with enthusiasm and integrity. In closing, I want to express my heartful gratitude towards each one of you for your trust and for your hard work, which makes a complete successful year. Let's continue to inspire, learn and grow in our Toastmaster journey and in our life. Let's continue to uplift and motivate others in every aspects of life. Everyone has different aspects of life, right? So what is life? We'll ask one of the member. What about Shekhar sir? What is life according to you?
Connecting dot is my life. Means I want to see beautiful faces every day. That make my life like really beautiful. That's my life.
Okay, thank you. We'll go with Venkat sir. What is life according to you?
Life is all about surprises and getting surprised by such questions. Experiences and memories, basically.
Experience. Okay, thank you, Shekhar sir and Venkat sir. Life is journey between two alphabets. That is B and D. That is B for birth, D for death. That is the segment of BD, which we have learned in maths, right? BD segment, which you cannot make it shorter or you cannot make it bigger. So what is in your hand? What is the alphabets coming? We have learned, right? Alphabets A to Z. Not Ajay sir, huh? I am not talking about Ajay sir. We have learned alphabets. Which alphabet is coming? Kunkun ma'am, pass. Very good. You got 100 marks. So C. So my friends, C is nothing but choice. We all have to learn to choose, not to prove, but to improve yourself. We all have to learn to choose, not to react, to respond. We all have to learn to choose how not to get affected of what happening in our lives and in all around us. So, fellow Toastmasters guest, be focused and value your life. Now there is one more surprise. Celebration is incomplete without. What is this? How many gifts you want? Already you received the award. Still you're. So what is celebration is incomplete without?
Food.
Giving hint. It's kids loving thing. Kids love to have it. What is that?
Chocolates.
Right answer. Good. Imtiaz said cake. So I request all the kids join on the stage for cake cutting. It's the celebration of JTC. I need all the kids.